So here's a short video example of how to take your notes and put them into sentences and paragraph form into our food portion. So I have both my notes right here and I have my website open. So I'm going to go to Crane's Food, go up to the top and press Edit Page. Now I am ready to type. So I'm going to press the Tab button on my keyboard, and that is my indent. So now, if I look over here, I have different types of food that I can talk about. One thing I found that they eat mostly roast meat and fish. So I might start with that. Ukrainians mostly eat roast meat and fish. And now I might go through and then talk about some of these different types of foods. So I'm going to start with borscht. Borscht is a typical soup of Ukraine. It is made with beets and more than 20, notice how I spelled the word instead of typing the number, other ingredients. It can be eaten hot or cold. Then I can go on to talk about varenki. It's also known as pierogis. So, the typical bread of Ukraine is called many times it is prepared with mashed potatoes, or it can be sweet with cream and honey. So I've already talked to bread, so I might skip this one, or I could add it. I could say babka is a sweet Easter bread. Now notice I had Easter bread and sweet dough bread. So I don't really need to put bread twice. So I can just say is a sweet Easter bread made with dried fruit. And since I'm talking about dried fruit right here, I can go and talk about compote, which is a drink also made from sweet fruit. So compote is a drink also made from dried fruit. And I might add in this last sentence to put it in there. So I might make it interesting and say, if you like donut holes, then you will enjoy pampuski, which is like a donut hole. Okay, so now I have my paragraph. Now that I'm done, I can go through and now I can make it a little bit bigger. I think I put 18. Okay, and if I want to change the font again, but we should leave the color black so that it is nice on the eyes. Okay, when I'm finished, we can't forget to save. And now I have my food section completed.